Oh my god, I feel so bad about this. I feel
Skywalker. You must choose. You must choose, Skywalker. What are you doing, Skywalker?
You okay?
Yeah, I guess so.
You don't need to throw up, do you?
Nah, I guess not.
Alright.
Thanks for being here.
You're welcome.
This is a Muppets movie. What are the doctors doing?
Yo, nigga, you in a neck brace and some more shit. And you're soaking wet.
Really?
We told them that you were at a pool party.
I was at a pool party. My parents are in High Point, North Carolina.
We're gonna hope that they don't end up in Atlanta, Georgia, and
No,
you're not here.
they're in Heights Point, North Carolina. Don't tell them what's going on.
You can guarantee that I will not tell them what's going on.
Thank you very much. My mom was like, don't tell them, don't do anything at Heights Point, North Carolina, because it's dangerous. There.
In my defense, I've had just as much to drink, if not more. And I've not seen Avatar or Princess and the Frog.
You've never seen Avatar?
No, did you see Avatar?
No, I've been pretty busy.